One-way one-button remote control with an operational range of up to 2,000 feet. Compatible with the Evo-All and Evo-One. You get 2 single-button remotes, 1 antenna, 1 antenna cable, 1 instruction sheet. Top reviews from the United States. Easy install on Tacoma with Start X. This was a super easy install on my 2017 Tacoma with the Start X remote starter. I was worried about the compatibility, but had no issues. Plugged it in the blue connector on the wire harness coming from the Start X, which has a label that says RF, and programmed it within minutes. There is an easy programming video found on YouTube. The stock fob for the Tacoma has terrible reach. With the new RF fob I can reach from far away and don't have to worry about it locking the correct amount of times, etc. I just hold down the fob till it flashes and I know my truck is starting in my driveway from across my neighborhood even.